I think Burj Khalifa will be so tall. Iska Khalifa.
क्या इसका क्या?
Who is most likely to get arrested for walking around without clothes?
Without clothes.
सबसे नॉटी कहीं आप तो नहीं हो?
अरे ये कौन सी इमेज लेके बैठी हो आप?
ये इमेज मेरे सामने पता नहीं अलग ही.
Okay, who is most likely to be the naughtiest?
Vio.
He's the naughtiest?
Yeah, he's the naughty.
Very naughty.
I-
After crying, I was like, I want to marry Brad Pitt. So it was crying also and
then Brad Pitt was crying.
Yeah.
गांव के सीक्रेट इसके पास रहते हैं.
दुनिया के सीक्रेट गाँव भी छोड़ो दुनिया
He
के
doesn't
सीक्रेट.
share also. Na?
Secret is something that you tell everyone, but one by one.
We are going to do something fun and we will have the two leading ladies of Masti for joining us. Thank you for joining us.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi.
Hello.
How are you, man?
I'm good. How are you?
How are you? Good to see you.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Lovely meeting you.
How are you?
So good. How are you?
I'm a big fan.
So good to see you. So we are gonna play Who's Most Likely to.
रोहन तेरे fans भी आ गए.
अरे बाप रे.
I think
मैं
I
नोएल का
was
fan हूँ यार.
one of the two people. The only thing that I'm telling everybody is I was one of the only two people on a reality show who didn't abuse. Every time I thought कि मेरे यहाँ तक आ गया है abuse, कि अभी गाली निकल जाएगी. I only thought of my mother's चप्पल. कि कोई गाली भी दे तू गाली मत दे. So we are gonna play Who's Most Likely to. Who is most likely, imagine, to use cuss words. सबसे ज्यादा यहाँ पे गाली कौन देता
Are you asking them about us?
है? No, all five of
All
you about
five,
each
out
other.
of all five.
You can take any name. Nobody? It's a lie.
One person is lying.
Who's that one person? You.
No.
You.
One person is lying. One person with long hair is lying.
अरे मुझसे लंबे बाल वहाँ मुझे क्यों रहा है?
नहीं, one person with long hair.
तो क्या?
So you also have long hair
Yeah,
only.
you also have
longish.
long hair.
I feel you are lying.
person with very long hair is lying.
अच्छा, you.
See, honestly, in front of us girls, all the guys were in their best behavior.
Yeah.
So nobody used cuss words.
But you
cuss
used.
words. Like, no.
That-
Like, no, none of us used.
Sab.
I think Milab Zaveri.
I wanted to
Only uses cuss
Blame it on Milab.
Oh my god.
He did it. Yeah, sometimes he does it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मतलब एकदम
Sometimes
mic पे?
Very bad lying.
I say duck all the time, so that's not a cuss word.
Duck.
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 Instead of
Like
I say duck.
A B C D E F.
D-U-C-K.
Oh, F for duck.
D.
Yeah.
But what about Milap used to really abuse or
Yeah.
you're just
All the time.
all the time?
All the time. His cues, I have video footage of his cues
On the mic.
on
yeah,
the mic.
yeah, all the
Which
time.
someday I'll reveal.
Yeah. Who's most likely to be conferred with the most prestigious national award in the country?
Which is what?
Next year there's
I
a film
think-
coming
National
out
award.
in May.
Hold on.
Nah.
After that film comes out in May next year,
Yeah.
my
I
brother
agree.
here is going to win a national award.
Sure.
Yes,
that
Ritesh
he
sir.
could.
We're
Yeah.
all
मुझे माफ
manifesting
करो,
and praying.
मुझे
Yes.
माफ
Have
but
to
thank
win the
you.
national award.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
वो एक मुझसे एक decent film बन जाए वही बहुत है.
Listen, please.
No, you will, you will.
Don't be so modest.
No,
Don't.
It's not question modest. I'm being.
Whatever I've seen is outstanding.
Yeah.
Yes, I can vouch for it.
I can't believe at that budget, that scale and look.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it, but I still know that you will definitely make an outstanding
I'm-
film.
He will.
I'm just hoping to make a decent film. That's about it. But thank you for your wishes.
Okay.
Who's most likely to cry over a movie?
Over a
Movie.
All the time.
I can
all the
cry
time.
all the time
I'll
because-
cry all the time. Yeah.
You
Her
cried,
also.
You cried while watching Masti also?
I mean, if there, yeah, when there is that
Yeah?
scene where Dil De Diya Hai
What a
Jaan,
song,
I'll,
yeah.
I'll,
What
I'll
an
cry.
epic
I was
song.
crying.
And you're crying.
Yeah.
In
No, I'm talking about this Masti.
I-
अरे दिल दे दिल
अच्छा,
It's not
Oh,
not
that.
entire film. It
Oh,
film
that
has a lot of
movie.
emotions as well.
खुशी
So,
के आंसू.
हाँ तो वो दिल दे दिया is such
What a
a
great song.
beautiful and
That is
emotional
that.
song.
Okay. I was talking about this
Any of
Masti.
you who cries over a movie?
I do.
I do.
I do also.
What
What
was
about
the last movie? I to cry only. To cry
No, but you
otherwise
know the
also.
latest one that I cried was actually Divaniyat, the climax. That is very impactful and everybody in the theatre was crying.
Do you
So I'm
remember?
trying to think. This is the last one.
I think
Yeah, even I
Sayyar.
cried.
Sayyara,
I was
F1
emotional.
also can
F1.
be F1. I cried a lot in F1.
We watched
F1,
together.
yeah, I
I
think
cried
F1.
in F1 also.
I cried a lot in F1.
I
And
watched,
then after crying, I was like, I want to marry Brad Pitt. So it was crying also and
And then
laughing
Brad Pitt was
also.
crying.
Who's most likely to give a bad marriage or love advice?
Bad marriage or love advice?
Love advice. Yeah, me.
Why?
me.
Why?
I would.
Like what? How would you give a bad marriage
लव
advice?
वीजा दे देगी.
हाँ मैं
Green
लव
flag,
वीजा
red
दे
flag.
दूंगी.
वीजा दे
मैं
देगी.
सब मतलब अभी
टॉक्सिक.
ये love visa भी दे देगी.
मैं लव वीजा दे दूंगी अभी.
अब
अच्छा
ये
लव
पूछेगा
वीजा.
लव वीजा है क्या?
Love visa तो I have seen the trailer. So I
No, no,
know.
you
Give
dare to
love
explain
visa,
this.
I'll be
No, I
like,
don't.
yeah.
But have you guys ever fought for love visa in your relationship with?
If you have the most incredible women in your life, individually
Yeah.
women, that's what I'm saying. Individually, if we have such amazing wives,
That's true.
why would we ask for a love visa? It would be stupid. I would to burn the passport and throw it.
And we agree to that because we've met all three of them on set and amazing women. Oh my god, it was so nice meeting all of them.
ठीक बोला मैंने.
करेक्ट बोला. टाइमिंग परफेक्ट.
यही बोला था ना.
करेक्ट है.
लिख के मैसेज पे यही डालते हैं.
अच्छा,
ऐसे
अच्छा.
बोलना है.
पैसे भी आ गए. हाँ.
Who's most likely to get arrested for walking around without clothes?
Without clothes.
Us in Brighton
Milap.
because we were
I
wearing
think Milap.
bikinis.
मिलाप उठ गया.
Not me.
We were,
Bikinis, yeah, but with fully without clothes कह रहे हैं.
हाँ मतलब that's like
Who's most
semi.
likely to get
Not me.
arrested?
Like
to
Nippa
बोल
Nippi
रहे हो.
नंगा नंगी.
Oh,
Not them.
completely. Oh,
Commando, babe, full commando.
I think मिलाप would.
yeah. Maybe.
And that's not a very pretty side. I think,
Yes,
surely.
none of us.
Milap was walking around naked without clothes, and we would want to be arrested. Take us away from here.
Okay, who's most likely to be the naughtiest?
Vio.
He's the naughtiest?
Obviously not.
He's the nerd.
Very, very, very.
I am
naughty.
shocked.
No, no.
Why?
Why sure?
Why
I
you
thought
shocked?
it's you.
Naughtiest.
Yeah,
He's
like
next.
in a funny way.
He's next.
Naughty.
Yeah, he's number 2.
You are the naughtiest.
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
then
yeah,
तो भाई
for
you are a
sure.
छुपा रुस्तम in
पर
interviews.
कभी कुछ वक्त बिताओ इनके साथ.
But you know, मुझे शक होने लग गया है. Because आफ्ताब सर की image is so सीधा, so शांत. सर, सबसे
कोई-
naughty कहीं आप तो नहीं हो.
अरे ये कौन सी इमेज लेके बैठी हो आप?
तो ये इनकी image मेरे सामने पता नहीं अलग ही है.
21 साल से हम
He's
जानते हैं ऐसी कोई
very-
इमेज हमने
he's
तो देखी
very-
नहीं.
मुझे लगता
I
है
think
ये
मतलब
underdog है.
शांत और
तो
अच्छे रहते
मतलब
तो
जो सर्फ
हम
एक्सेल लेके
ना
आई है
रहते तो
इसका इमेज चरित्र होने के लिए.
हाँ, चमका रहे हो.
ऐसे it's like if we have to rank then it's 1, 2, 3 in naughty. Yeah.
No, maybe.
What about the girls?
कुछ गड़बड़ लग रही है.
नहीं,
Who's the
correct,
naughtiest girl?
Who's the naughtiest girl?
How would we
You
know?
guys
have
should
to
say,
ask the
na?
boys.
correct. Who's the naughtiest girl?
Who's the naughtiest girl among all?
Who's the
all
naughtiest
of
girl?
them?
All of them are lovely, wise,
Yeah.
intelligent
I
women.
think we're all equally
Wow,
naughty.
wow, wow.
Yeah, we are.
Sant Mahatma.
Who's most likely to be the one keeping secrets? Like अपने secrets.
ओ अपने खुद के.
हाँ.
खुद
Like,
के
who's like-
नहीं नहीं
who's
खुद
most
के
likely to be
खुद के
secretive?
नहीं एक सेकंड
खुद
खुद
के
के
नहीं, पूरे गांव के
Secretive,
लिए.
secretive.
बहुत
सबके
खुद के
हाथ
नहीं
है,
पूरे
ना
गांव
खुद
के.
के.
गांव के सीक्रेट इसके पास रहते हैं.
दुनिया के सीक्रेट गांव में छोड़ो दुनिया
But he
के
doesn't share also, ना? Which is
CIA
क्या है ना,
secretive तो
मैं
ये है.
आपको बताता हूँ. I had read this wonderful line.
Yeah.
It's never a secret when two people know about it.
Very
Yeah.
good.
Correct.
It's not a secret.
Okay.
It's
I
amazing.
called up Ramuji, Ram Gopal Verma. I said, sir, I've got a brilliant line. It's never a secret when
When-
two people know about it. He told me, Ritesh, I've got even a better line.
Yeah.
I said, what? Secret is something that you tell everyone, but one by one.
That's amazing.
This
is also
what a guy is.
Okay, who's most likely to be the one hiding your secrets? कि कुछ
Hiding it?
कर लिया और फिर इनको बुलाया to save you.
Save you.
Like all your secrets.
No, but I have been in situations where sometimes, like, I think for my friends, I am that girl. Like, they call me when they're massively in trouble and something's off, and I go there to sort it out.
Wow.
And वो रात गई बात गई खत्म हो जाता है सुबह तक solve कर. So
सर,
I
तुम
have
रात
kept
को
such massive secrets, complicated.
Okay.
So call
Who's
me.
most
But
likely to be the one sharing your secrets?
Sharing.
Okay.
Milap Zaveri.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my. Yeah.
On the mic.
He can't keep his
On the mic.
One quality that you love, hate and tolerate about each other. So you guys can speak about both of you, and you three have to speak about each other for sure.
Wow.
One quality
Let's
that
start
you
with
love,
them.
hate, and
Sisterhood and
tolerate.
Really, you
brotherhood.
start.
Love, hate and tolerate. Love which you love, hate that you hate, and you're like, okay, दोस्ती इतनी अच्छी है तो tolerate कर रहे हैं ये.
Okay, love, hate and tolerate. Love that whenever we are together, it's a vibe. Hate that when we are not together, we don't talk. And tolerate that when we are together, we talk all the time. We talk too much.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one love is whenever we are together, we have a really great time on set, and we talk about the funniest
Everything,
stuff. We laugh a lot. hate कि कभी-कभी सेट पे जाते-जाते कोई एक इंसान लेट हो जाता है and coordination नहीं हो पाया. And tolerate, I don't know, just the chaos of it all. Like we are in this together basically.
Yeah. We're like, okay, fine.
You both are chaotic.
We are in a chaotic situation, but we
We
are
love
the
being
calm
chaotic.
one.
And
You are
know,
the
we like
calm
that-
one, I don't believe.
No. But
Both
we
of
love
you
that-
being calm,
no,
I don't believe.
But also we are somebody who loves that chaos. Like when you see Kardashians, no, Khloe and Kim, they wake up, they're like, oh my god, we have like 10 things to do. So we're like that kind of chaotic. Like
Yeah, but you know what? We always
But you
very
guys
low
are
up.
not calm.
But
no,
ठीक है, that's
no. How can you be calm when you're a musty 4 hero?
That's true.
Yeah.
What about you? Start. You will start now with both of them.
Not about them.
No. Only. Haichara versus.
You can make it all about us
Listen,
if you want.
But we want to know about us also.
Yeah, you can make it all about us if you want in this last segment.
Yeah, can you? Yeah.
It's been all about
Up to you guys.
चलो अब मतलब हमारे बारे में.
Okay, so what I love about them is that they're extremely confident in the film. They've done a great job in the film. And
अब आ जाए hate और tolerate.
they've
चल आप सच बोल दे बाकी वो तो बोल दे तूने.
what I hate about them is that they're very good in the film.
That's great
No,
for
no.
your
See,
film.
that's why we.
Okay, I don't hate anything about them because we've shared a wonderful relationship on the film.
And yet you tolerate everything.
And I think there's nothing like tolerate. It's we don't have any sort of thing that
Yeah.
we need to tolerate about each other. So it's not right to say that.
Tolerate एक प्रेम करते.
But I'm pretty sure you have all of this
With
about.
these, let me think. So with Ritesh, what I love is the fact that he's very flexible as a person.
There's yoga every day.
Yeah, and he's flexible in his thinking. I'll come to you, Vio. Hold on. To your next. Hold on. What I hate about him is he's always on time.
Yeah.
So he sets a bar. बाद में पैसे दे रहा है. Huh? He sets a bar really high for us. And what I tolerate is the same thing, that he comes on time and makes sure that all of us are on time. You know, so
No,
that's
that is
that's
true.
a
He's
good
very
thing.
punctual.
Yeah.
Yeah. What I love about Vivek is that he's never on time. What I hate about him is that he never replies to any messages. Like we have a group, he checks his phone after days. Now him and I have had a conversation. The conversation is over, dead,
No,
buried.
but you can't blame him for that. वो ऑफिस में छोड़ता है बाहर जाता है फोन तक पहुंचते पहुंचते 4 दिन लगते हैं उसको.
So he's never that responsive on messages, and then
He replies after 4-5
and then he
business
wants to catch on to that moment which is
Gone.
in the in past history. So then now we moved on. So both of us ignore his message after that. Then
You'll have to pin his chat now.
yeah, and that's something I tolerate about him. Now
You
I've
tolerate.
understood for the past 20 minutes this is how he is. He'll reply when he has to reply, and I understand that he's busy, whatever. So that is what I love, hate, and tolerate. You guys can give me the money. later,
Yeah.
Okay. What I love about Aftab is the fact that he takes care of your food. Lunch,
Menu chore.
dinner.
Menu chore.
कहाँ भी हो?
I mean, I have a
10 menu
fantastic
and
reputation.
great.
Yeah.
So if you are next to Aftab, खाना क्या है? Aftab से पूछ लो, वो figure out करेगा. मतलब मेरा vegan भी figure out, सबका figure out करेगा. वो-
Vegan,
वो-
vegetarian, everything.
हाँ.
What I not hate, but not intolerant, but one thing that bothers me about him is his half Parsi. And उसका क्या है ना, वो एक बार ऐसे और शटर डाउन लॉक करके चाबी समुद्र में फेंक देता है, and then like this. then he becomes खड़ा पारसी का पुतला ना उधर. वैसे आफ्ताब. Yeah.
That is true.
So you have to gender to ना स्कूटर को किक मार के आफ्ताब क्या करे आ गया हम जिंदा हो गए. तो ये वो फ्लक्चुएट करता रहता है. What I hate about him.
मैं hate बोल दिया अभी, tolerate बोल दिया.
ये tolerate था अभी. What I hate about him.
ये tolerate तो hate क्यों होगा?
What I hate about him
We were
is the
good to
fact
each
that
other.
we used to
We were
compete to hit sixes, but he always hit longer sixes than me.
Oh.
वो मेरे को बर्दाश्त नहीं.
That's a
ठीक है,
good
इतने
thing.
4
Good
runs
one.
बढ़ाए.
हाँ.
चल
अब
ठीक है.
आते हैं विवेक की
माफ
तरफ.
कर दो.
Obsession है आपका.
अरे मेरा कम है ना, इसलिए मुझे आई लाइक कि जिसके स्ट्रॉन्ग 4 runs.
Unhealthy bro.
I should hide.
He's obsessed with the legs, you're obsessed with the arm. चल ठीक है. अभी ये सुनने लायक है. अब बोल. अब तू बिंदास सा खोल के बोल. देखो जो बोलना है बोल.
अब-
आज यही मौका है. मतलब 21 साल का सब भड़ास आज निकाल दे. बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ.
विवेक के बारे में व्हाट आई लाइक इज
बाप रे.
Nothing.
Position लेके
नहीं I like the
Heavy.
fact that
love bro.
I love the fact that he's always there for anyone who needs help, and also people who don't need help.
ये मीम टाइप है
मीम का बाप है
ये meme नहीं, ये subtext हो गया.
What deep?
That is what you love about him.
No, yeah, he's always there to help you.
Okay.
Okay. There's nothing to tolerate.
मेरा बोलता कि he replied after 4 days. चल.
He replies after 4 days. What I hate about Vivek, he's a great guy, great actor,
Great actor.
मैं wait कर रहा हूँ.
great
punchline का.
actor, and one of the finest in the countries when it comes to performing. And you can look at his.
बेटा अवार्ड है क्या इसका? इसके लिए दे दे अवार्ड. Politically correct award.
Yeah, Vivek Oberoi.
I was also waiting for a punchline like him.
I was waiting, yeah.
Yeah, I
ये
said.
बहुत खतरनाक आदमी
हाँ
है.
खतरनाक तो है बाप रे.
खिलाड़ी बहुत खतरनाक.
And I'm just happy that he's making buildings taller than Burj Khalifa. Great.
हम सबको
What do you hate about him?
Yeah.
Vio.
I think Burj Khalifa will be so tall. Iska Khalifa.
क्या इसका क्या?
क्या बोल रहा है रितेश? क्या बोल रहा है? इतना मीम निकलने
What
वाला
are you saying?
अरे I'm saying Burj Khalifa, the building that constructs.
Okay,
यार.
okay, yeah.
It'll be so tall कि उसका shadow मतलब
बस तूने hate बोला ही नहीं.
कौन सा?
Hate
ऐसा
नहीं.
घुमा दिया तूने.
नहीं.
मैं
hate
hate
business.
क्यों करूँ? Burj Khalifa बना रहा है.
जी.
फ्लोर दे देते थे मेरे को फ्लोर पे लगा देंगे.
What about you? Your turn now
My turn.
to return the
Oh
favor.
my
But hold on, don't you ever talk about the girls first?
Yeah, girls.
Yeah, please.
He missed it. He skipped it. Even I'm
No,
skipping
I agree with you. Extremely talented girls.
Yeah, I agree with you. Extremely talented.
No,
Look, the girls. I'll tell
Drop me
you.
under the train.
No, first of all, they were extremely well prepared, and Masti or this genre is not easy to perform because it's a lot of slapstick comedy, it's a lot of physical comedy, and it's not easy. You know,
It's not easy
we
to
also
learn.
find it difficult.
Yeah.
It's not like just because you're in so
Yeah,
many
yeah.
it's going to come easy. Every scene will have
Yes,
its own
it's not a
challenge.
challenge,
But to take it up as challenge and to be in
Execute
sync
it,
with what's happening, I think they were all brilliant.
Well done.
Awesome. Now say what you hate and tolerate.
There's nothing to hate and tolerate.
Lovely. You can return the favor to your brothers now.
Correct. So.
अच्छा, I also want to come what I hate and tolerate about you.
Me?
हाँ,
Same,
होता है
same.
बाद में आएगा, पहले
हाँ ठीक है. अरे.
So I think-
Why will you only say hate and tolerate? Where did love go?
लव तो हमेशा है.
ठीक. चलो, I will come to that.
चल.
I think Shreya and Ruhi, I agree with these guys. Difficult to come onto a film where there's already 21, 22 years of history, camaraderie, and then jump in and try and catch sync. And it's an ensemble piece, so the timing is critical. Punches have to go back and forth. These girls were amazing. They worked really hard. They're very dedicated, very committed, and sometimes they were crazy long hours. Girls generally get more conscious about how they're looking, but they were like troopers. They were so supportive and they did a great job, and I think they have a very wonderful career ahead of them because they've got great qualities as professionals.
अब मुद्दे पे आते हैं.
Hate and tolerate, I don't think there's anything to hate about them. They're
That's-
lovely
that's-
girls.
that's true.
What can we say about tolerate? Tolerate would be
You guys were amazing.
We are cooperative.
Yeah.
I think we'll only
nothing
leave it
to
at love.
tolerate.
We
Nothing
won't
to tolerate.
discuss hate and tolerate.
I think with Aftab, what do I love about Aftab? I think I love about Aftab that after so many years, I mean, he's been in the movies since either 1985.
No,
right?
79.
79?
Paris
Paris
baby था ये.
baby, yeah,
हाँ,
but
तो
movies I'm saying.
कैमरे के सामने था.
Movies, no films. He's been in the movies since 1985. You know, he's still not jaded. Like Aftab has this wonderful childlike, happy quality about him, and you know he'll make you smile when you're on set with him. So he's got that warmth that he radiates naturally, and he's got a partner in life who just equates that balance beautifully, right? When you see them together, it's an amazing feeling of joy. It's a very warm feeling. That's what I love about Aftab. He brings that sunlight, you know. A very positive guy.
That's it. Shall we leave now?
That's it.
No, hate.
अच्छा hate बाकी है.
What I hate about him, he's always late. And he blames me that I'm late, which is not true. But he's always late. He's always late. He's a badmash. He's always late. We're always planning for Aftab, around Aftab कि कब आएगा, कब पहुंचेगा. मैं यहाँ हूँ. आज सुबह भी ऐसे ही हुआ.
आप सबको कॉल टाइम 1.5 घंटे पहले जाता है.
हाँ, always.
सबका 9
We have
बजे.
to lie to him.
पहुंच गया हूँ.
We have to lie to him
ये तो
about his
क्या है,
call
वो
time.
रास्ते पे 1.5 घंटे के बाद आने वाले हैं.
We have to lie to him about his call time, and then also he's late. What I tolerate about Aftab, I only have to tolerate when he's hangry. Right?
True. And
Everything about you is
Feed
food.
Aftab on
my
time.
wife would
We
endorse
could have
that.
said
If
that.
you feed Aftab
My
on
wife would
time,
endorse that, I'll tell you
if
that.
you feed Aftab on time and allow him the lunch break on time, he's the
Yes,
happiest baby.
Yes. If
The
you
minute
delay my
you get him
lunch,
hangry and he hasn't had a
You're
proper
dead.
lunch or proper dinner and he's finished his whole fasting
Everyone's
window
dead.
and all of that, like that.
But that's
That is
He's all
that's the
growly.
best
That's
answer
well
of the
done.
interview.
Yeah. I think Ritesh,
Spot on.
about Bhau, what do I love? I love about him that, he started after Aftab and I did. But his arc in the film industry in terms of not just as an actor, as a producer, as a director, as a creative person overall, he's worked so hard. He's not from a film family. He's not been in the industry longer than we have. But what he's achieved, that pursuit of excellence, to constantly chase the next barrier and to stay hungry and to constantly go after that with humility and 100% commitment and passion. That's what I love about
I
it.
endorse that.
I really think that's exceptional.
Yes.
What I tolerate,
बस
चले?
चर्चा भी चलते
दिल भराया.
नहीं दिल भरा नहीं मैं डर रहा हूँ कि तू क्या आ गया इससे तो मैं कुछ हूँ इसके बाद क्या होने वाला हूँ
What I hate about this guy is he is the most poker-faced, politically correct
boy.
bads. Bloke. Politically correct Bhau. He is so poker, he will answer you so flat-faced, even after knowing him for so long, we can't tell whether he's saying the truth or he's not saying the truth. He's so good at that. I hate about it,
mastered
because you can keep that full veil.
He mastered it.
And then I think what I tolerate about Ritesh is, I don't think there's anything to tolerate as such. He doesn't have any, yeah, okay, he's anally punctual. Like not even like 5-10 minutes here and there.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he's got a great.
Irritating.
I read a line, one more line, fantastic line. If you're on time, you're already late.
You're
You're already late.
If you're on time, you're already late.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
See what I mean?
You're before.
We have to tolerate this.
That I agree. That I agree. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank
you.
Wishing all of you the very best.
Thank you, Noel.
Actually, I won't lie, but Masti has been a part of our childhood, growing up, teenage years, when you want to like explore, get to know,
Childhood?
understand. Childhood, hi na? Matlab 11
childhood,
saal,
childhood.
12 years. Like
Yeah.
it was just pre-teens, no? So when you want to know things and you're not allowed, but then you are like, acha, it's a fun film, just watch it, whatever. And it's releasing on 21st. The trailer is out now, guys. I
Yes.
watched the trailer.
Please go watch
Funny trailer as expected, and all the best. Thank you, because this was one of the most fun chats. And thank God that one of the first chats that I did was a fun chat like this.
Fun for who?
Great.
And
Thank you for having us.
What do I hate about?
Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you,
so
Noel.
much.
21st
Thank you.
November, guys. See you in the theater.
21st November.